Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. Once again, I warmly welcome to my all students, my dear students of class 5A. I hope so, my dear students, you are enjoying your one of the best holidays at home, and you will also be enjoying your studies time too. क्योंकि आपको पता है कि within a month, the month is been completing yet now, the month of June, and today is 29 June 2020. It's been the last initial days or the last end of days this month. और इस मंथ में इंशाल्लाह ताला जैसा कि आपने देखा है कि हम लोगों ने अब तक मैंने अपने जो लेक्चर्स आप लोगों को डिलीवर करवाए हैं एंड आई शेयर माय लेक्चर्स इन योर all your groups, your parents, your teachers, even your own mobile numbers also be in our group. I share minimum and maximum work related to your chapter 1, like the reading tasks, like I just be giving you some hidden tasks regarding your objective work tasks, regarding your assessment and class test and exam preparation. Okay, one thing is I also be share with you कि अभी चूंकि नोटबुक के लिए ऐसा हुआ है कि बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स ने हमें इस चीज़ का हमें मैसेज कन्वे किया है कि उनके बच्चों की नोटबुक्स जो हैं ड्यू टाइम से पहले कंप्लीट नहीं हुई. ये सब इन सर्टन रीजंस मैं इतना डीपली नहीं जाना चाहता, तो सो दैट्स वाई मैंने जो भी डेट है वो 1 वीक लेट की है. इट्स नॉट बी से दैट आई एम जस्ट गिविंग अ डेट 1 2 3 4. I just give you one of the proper date. Inshallah Taala, I just share the group date, copy, whenever you complete your copy, okay, within 1 or 2 3 days, chapter 1, complete chapter 1, keeping healthy by taking your support from your resource pack. मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि resource pack मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल से जो था वो फोटोकॉपियर के पास मौजूद था. आप में से मैक्सिमम बच्चों ने ले लिया होगा. जिन बच्चों ने नहीं लिया था, I just humble request to, it's my humble request to all those students to please buy that resource pack as soon as possible and complete your written assignment. I'm talking about the written assignment which are related the most important from your notebook work. Notebook work means the notebook book is reserved for the 25% age subjective work question. Because whenever I just also be share the paper pattern with you once again related to your how your paper or your assessment, it consists on the 3 parts. We just given you one of the opportunity in your assessment, in task test, and in your mid-year exam or final exam. Science paper carries 100 marks, and 100 marks are divided into 3 sections. Okay, I just discussed this marking scheme and other points in the upcoming lectures, but yet now I just be thoroughly prepared to chapter 2 for once again. I just ask to you, please open your textbook. It's a little bit confusing also in students about the international science. Please just watch the title of this book. This is the book of science which is be suggested or recommended in your syllabus, in your curriculum. ये इस बुक है, इसके अलावा इसका कोई और एडिशन नहीं है. जो कि बहुत सारे बच्चों ने ये भी कंफ्यूज थे, पेरेंट्स ने जी कहा है कि जी बुक चेंज हो गई है. नो, साइंस बुक इज रिजर्व. दिस इज द टाइटल ऑफ दिस बुक. ओके, कीपिंग हेल्थी, जो मैंने आपको पहले पढ़ाया था, that is based the chapter 1, and I just also be showing you the picture like this is the chapter 1 which is complete with the best of time. In this month, the one chapter is completing in the 1 month regarding the reading task, explanation task, okay, diagram structures, anatomy of human heart, differentiate terms, short question answer, differentiate between terms, and as also I asked to all of you to use these terms for your short questions too. Okay, and other material related to this whole objective task is also be piled and composed in your resource pack. ये मैंने आपको बताया कि please it's my once again request to you to please buy your resource pack, because resource pack is very convenient for all of you to use that material for your copy work, for your written assignment, and for your exam, class test and assessment test preparation. क्योंकि जैसे ही स्कूल ओपन होंगे इंशाल्लाह ताला जो भी आपका स्ट्रक्चर होगा रिगार्डिंग एग्जाम का, क्लास टेस्ट का, वी अनाउंस दैट टाइम. ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ प्लीज ओपन योर बुक, गेट रेडी. आई होप सो यू ऑल गेट रेडी. ओके, टेक योर बुक इन योर हैंड्स, ऑन प्लीज नॉट इन योर हैंड्स, arrange in your table or whatever your dining table or study table now time which is very convenient to at your home, and open your books, chapter number 2. Today's the date is 29 June 2020. Classwork, it's a classwork activity. Okay, Monday, chapter number 2, and the topic is guesses all around. Please make sure to open this chapter. I just also be showing you the picture and the page number 29. Okay, now I explain you about the properties of gases and what is meant by the gases. Okay, my dear students, like just you thought about you are be feeling lonely and just thought about some kind of gases all around you. Okay. Meanwhile, just close your eyes and take a long breath. Okay, a long, long breath. You feel any kind of gas? Yes. You respire through oxygen. Okay, aspiration, like human person require for respiration, सांस लेने के लिए, for their respire process we need a gas, and that is oxygen. And oxygen is all around us. Oxygen is abundantly available in nature. It could be found in garden, park, street, open air, everywhere in nature. So oxygen is one of the, you say, abundant gas which can you find in your nature. नेचर में बहुत सारी ऐसी गैसेस हैं. वी रीड अबाउट द गैसेस, अबाउट द shape, structure, their function. What about? I'm just coming. Give you one clue regarding gases. Okay, you also the waste of some carbonic gases. कुछ ऐसी gases होती हैं जिनको waste में भी किया जाता है. Like you say carbon dioxide, nitrogenic, you say material which is be wasted from your body. Nowadays is summer season. You feel plenty of oxygen. आपको आजकल समर सीजन में ऑक्सीजन की एक प्लेंटी जरूरत है, हद से ज्यादा है. सो वी रिक्वायर अ गुड फ्रेश एयर इनहेल इन अस. हम अपने इनहेल करते हैं बाय यूजिंग आवर नोज, नॉस्ट्रल्स, nose cap, nostrils, through our windpipe, and through then to your lungs, and lungs just open a huge breath of sun. Okay. Okay, in this chapter we read about different shapes, structures, gases properties. Okay, what about their functions, what about their major role in this universe, in human person, in things, material, animal. But first one, just to watch this bubble structure. I also will share this bubble structure in your group task. Please make sure whenever I just give you a work regarding your rough वर्क टास्क, जब मैं आप लोगों से ये कहूँ कि आप लोगों ने ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रेपरेशन, ऑब्जेक्टिव मैंने फिर ये वर्ड यूज किया है. आई एम नॉट गिविंग यू वन ऑफ द असाइनमेंट टू जस्ट यूज दैट असाइनमेंट होल ऑन नोटबुक. नोटबुक इज रिजर्व फॉर क्वेश्चन वर्क टास्क. उसमें जितने आपके क्वेश्चन जो हम पढ़ते हैं या आप लोगों को रीडिंग में पढ़ाते हैं, आप लोगों के क्वेश्चन टास्क जो होते हैं वो मैं साथ साथ बता देता हूँ कि विद इन 5 क्वेश्चन आपको 2 डेज में करने के लिए मिलते हैं. यू हैव 2 डेज टू कंप्लीट 5 क्वेश्चंस बाय यूजिंग योर हेडिंग, by using your written expression. Okay, but this is a task which is just a journal task. It's a journal task which I discuss with all of you, and you all make sure to do this work by your own self on your rough drafting pad or in narrow line register. मैंने दोनों options दी हैं क्योंकि जिन बच्चों के पास drafting pad है, it could be very better. They must utilize their drafting pad for their science work. Okay, and if they didn't have no any regarding this opportunity of a drafting pad, they use their you say narrow line register. They must be utilize their narrow register for their objective work tasks and exam preparation and test preparation too. Okay, this is just what there are the 3 state of matter in this nature. 3, there are 3 state of, okay, space जरा काम है तो मैं, so that's why नीचे भी लिख लूँ तो आप जरा देखना. There are 3 matter state in this nature, in this universe. Like solid, you read about in grade 2, 3, 4, 5, in maximum in earlier classes, but this is the one the detail there. Solids, liquids and gases. Solid, liquid and gases. These are the 3 states which abundantly found in this universe. Okay, these states having some kind of special characteristics, special points, characteristics which are based on this matter. Like you take the example of solids. Solid. What's mean by the solid? When the word solid came in your mind, you all of a sudden thought about hard, tough, rough, okay, heavy, okay, skis, okay, having weight, like this is. Do not take the shape of container, okay. Particles are tightly packed. You read about that particles in the solid state are tightly packed in arrange. Here have a definite shape. Like you take the example of chair, table, wooden anything, brick, table, chair, desk, door, सॉलिड मटेरियल है ना, तो सॉलिड मटेरियल की एक स्पेसिफिक शेप को मैं डिस्कस कर रहा हूं. ओके, पार्टिकल्स आर टाइटली पैक्ड, अरेंज इन पैक. Okay, solids can be hard. It's one of the good opportunity regarding solid thing. Bricks are hard, stones are hard, marble are hard, and flexible too. It's a quality. Okay, three states of nature: solid, liquid, gas. I am talking about this bubble formed by using the bubble, caption in bubble, and you make sure to arrow symbol to write these properties 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm having very less space on the whiteboard, so that's why I make sure to make the solid and liquid on the other side. This side is reserved for the solid, and this is for the liquid. Now I discuss about the liquids. Liquids कहा जाता है माया को, liquid solution. Sudden liquids word can come into mind without about all of a sudden water, honey, and juice, tea, blood, syrup. Blood is also a type of liquid. Okay, syrup, honey. Honey is thick, but as a type of liquid. As a type of liquid. Okay, water is one of the best example. Liquid always take shape of a container. Like you take a jug and pour some water, fill it with the drinking water or the mineral water. Look, jug is a hard thing like which is made of plastic. Okay, which is made of any glass, but container shape having water. It's filled with the water. Okay. Particles are bit far. Its particles are bit far. मतलब दूर दूर होते हैं. They're not close. They're not be very close to each other. Bit far. F-A-R far. Does not have definite shape. That's true. Liquids does not have definite shape. Okay. Can be poured. Can be poured very easily. It is one of the good quality of liquids. Can be poured easily. Cannot be hold. You can't hold the water in your lap. Okay, so cannot be hold. Particles are little bit far. Always take the shape of container. It's a point. Please keep in mind which things are the most important in solids, and what about the characteristics of the liquid. It's the properties. Basically, these are the general properties which can be highlighted. The qualities of the solids, liquid, and gases. And three of these stay different shades. Different shades terms true. Okay. Does not have definite shape. I clearly tell to you all of you that does not have definite shape. इसकी definite shape नहीं होती. That's it. Can be poured. Pour कहते हैं किसी चीज को अंडेलना. Like you take a jug in your hand and you want to drink one glass of water. Okay, you pour the jug water into a glass. So can be poured easily. Cannot be hold. You can't hold this water liquid in your hands to grab it, to take it. Okay. These properties are also be mentioned in this targets. These I just explained now. Properties of gases. Matter can exist in three states, in physical three states. In nature, in physical three states like solid, liquid, and gas. Please, my dear students, underline this point by using your highlighter or a lead pencil. Okay. Do you remember what matter is? Okay. How is solid different from a liquid? So these properties is one of the good opportunity for you to differentiate between solid, between liquid, between solid. Okay, there are three students and they're taking some kind of objects in their hands. One boy and two girls. Okay, one boy is in a brainstorming and he's using his hand clue and just taking in a position of this. And he say, I remember that matter has mass and occupies space. It's a definition of matter. Please make sure it's a definite or definition, not I remember, that matter has mass and occupies space. This is the definition of matter. Okay. The girl she is taking a one jug in her hand and pouring some glass of water, which I already give you example. She said have definite volumes. Okay. The points which she clearly discussed with other two students, but no definite shape. Okay. They can flow but cannot be compressed. Compressed past tense. Okay, the girl says she's taking a one, I think, wooden block or a brick in her hand, and she's saying solids have definite solids and they have definite shapes and definite volume. They cannot be flow, okay, because they are hot, and cannot be compressed. On the next page, page number 30. Okay, Gases have mass and occupy space. I also shared the point of gases with you, okay, after some time. Just solid, please make sure to highlight. Just like solids and liquid, gases are matter. Underline it. Since gases are matter, gases have mass. Underline this characteristic, gases have mass. Like, this is a digital balance. We read about the digital balance in further classes and maximum in grade 6 too. But here's in this experiment, here is a digital balance, okay? And it's a balloon. It's a rubber balloon, okay? One rubber balloon is spelled like you take a balloon and just try to use your own, okay, open your mouth and just fill it by using your air to breathe in that balloon and tie with the help of thread, okay, or a thread, okay. Both of experiment is experiment based, okay. Just watch the weightless, okay, without filling air in the balloon. Its weight is show 1.30 gram. And what about the filled balloon? It shows a reading on this digital balance 1.55 gram. It means the point clear, gases have mass. Gases have mass. Please make sure this good quality and is based on experiment. Very easy experiment. Okay. And please underline it. A balloon filled with air. A balloon filled with air and has greater mass than a deflected balloon. It's a just very good point. Okay. The balloon filled with, I explain it. The balloon filled with air has more mass than the balloon not filled with air. Please underline it. Same line is repeated here. Since air is made of gases, air is made of some mixture of gases. It's one of the good quality and thing. This shows that gases have mass. That's part 2. Gases have mass. Mass. Look at the readings on the electric balance. Okay, can you tell the mass of the air in the balloon? It's one of the easiest thing. You can easily judge much about the mass of air in the balloon. You can write here by using your lead pencil, write the answer here. Okay, page number 31. Okay, in this picture you watch one of the colorful balloon festival also be celebrated. This is one of the good celebration festival in Brazil, okay, in Australia, in Switzerland, in Denmark. In these countries this festival always be, I think so, after 1 year this festival arranged. Okay, like solid and liquid, gases occupy space. It's also be occupy the space. Gases को भी space चाहिए. They need a space. उन्हें जगह चाहिए. Okay, please watch this source. Please keep in mind whenever these pictures just be come to on the page, make sure these are the source based question. जब एग्जाम आता है उसमें हम लोग पिक्चर्स थोड़ी बहुत माउल्ट कर देते हैं या हम लोग चेंज कर देते हैं, लेकिन उसका क्राइटेरिया उसी से रिलेटेड होता है. The question is same, picture is different, maybe point or 2 point is different, but the question target just to be observed, keen observed in your mind कि इसमें क्या है. अब देखिए क्या कह रहे हैं. The hot air balloon, the hot, जाहिर है कि ये balloon है, इसके अंदर hot air balloon के अंदर air दी जा रही है, उसको space दिया जा रहा है. जमीन से अब इसने ऊपर जाना है, ऊपर हवा में जाना है, ठीक है. What about this whole criteria situation? The hot air balloon on the left is not fully filled air, not fully filled with air. It occupies some space, okay, some space. Underline please. When the balloon is filled with air, all of a sudden when the balloon is filled with air, okay, natural air, it occupies much more space. It's just spelled in the one of the huge, okay, round shape, okay. The increase in volume, underline this property please. The increase in volume is a space occupied by air. It's one of the good thing, one of the good characteristic regarding the increase in volume in the space occupied by air. Gases are similar. Please make sure this point, one of the good point. Gases are similar to solids and liquid. Very similar. Why these are similar? In that they are have mass, number 1 point, and occupy space. Both the points are similarity in दोनों में है. How are gases different from solid and liquid? Let us find out now. Page number 32. Okay, it's one of the experiment once again. Okay, do gases have definite shape? Okay, in this picture, in this source, they try to use one of the thread or a ring wire and arrange some balloons. Okay, oval shaped balloons, some are long, their color yellow, blue, gray, I think red. Okay, these colors. Okay, the balloons blue are filled with air. Okay, this is a material or a statement there. Okay, air is made of gases. I tell you, air is a mixture of gases and it is yet made of gases. Do gases have definite shape? Now, the gases in balloons, please make sure to highlight the gases in balloon 1, 2, 3, 4. In these balloon, जो spell करके उनमें gases को भरा गया है, take the shape of the balloon. इनकी एक shape बन गई है. Shape के different structure है, round है, oval है, long है, medium है. A gas has no definite shape. My dear students, keep in mind, a gas has no definite. देखिए जैसे ये balloon को खोल देंगे, अगर हम इसको पिन लगा के मारेंगे या इसकी हवा निकाल देंगे, उसकी शेप तो चली जाएगी. जितनी देर तक उसके अंदर गैस को स्पेल है, नेचुरल गैस को अगर स्पेल कर दिया गया है या वो जो पंप के जरिए भरी जाती है, इट मीन इट्स शेप. बट द प्रॉपर्टी विच इज बी प्रॉपर इज यूज हियर, अ गैस हैज नो डेफिनेट शेप. Okay, do on the next page number 33, do gases have definite volume? Volume, what about the volume? I also will share the terms of these solid, liquid, gases. These terms are also be in your resource pack. अपने resource pack में से आप लोगों ने साथ साथ जो इसके differentiate terms हैं, short question answer हैं. Okay, regarding your quick task response for your class, spellthon competition, make sure to please, I many time request to all of you in my lectures कि आप उसे साथ साथ आपने prepare करना है. ये नहीं कि अगर आपने 10 words कर लिए हैं तो just stop it. Next 10 कर, अगर आपने 5 short questions कर लिए हैं फिर further 5 करें. आपको तो सारा मटेरियल मैंने उसके अंदर बना के दिए. ये नहीं कि मैंने तो सिर्फ आपसे कहा है कि उसी मटेरियल को अगर आप रफ रजिस्टर पे रीराइट कर लेंगे, फॉर यू इंश्योर अ गुड प्रैक्टिस फॉर योर रिसर्च वर्क, फॉर योर practical work, it is one of the good opportunity for all of you. Okay, dear students, page number 33. Okay, I read that do gases have definite volumes? What about the volumes, and do gases have definite volume? Question mark. Okay, pull a plunger of a syringe. Okay, for this is now time मेरे पास इस वक्त तो ये syringe नहीं था, लेकिन मैं कोशिश करूंगा नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट मुझे जो कि इजीली अवेलेबल हो, मैं आप लोगों को खुद भी करके दिखाऊं. चूंकि क्लास में तो हम लोग हमारे पास लैब में ऐसी चीजें होती हैं, हम उसे यूटिलाइज कर लेते हैं, लेकिन ये सब वन ऑफ द गुड इजी एक्सपेरिमेंट. जस्ट आप इसको देखें और समझ लें. पुल द प्लंजर ऑफ अ syringe to fill it with air. Okay, just thought about this is a इंजेक्शन. ये एक syringe मेरे पास आया, ठीक है, डिस्पोजेबल syringe है. मैंने इसको खोला और मैंने अब इसको क्या करना है कि इसके से नीडल मैंने आगे से हटा दिया इसका, और जो इसका प्लंजर है जो पीछे बैक पे आता है उसको मैंने पीछे किया. बाय यूजिंग माय हैंड फोर्स आई जस्ट बैक इट, very tightly back it. Okay, pull the plunger of a syringe to fill it with air. To fill with air. Tightly मैंने इसको बैक पे लेके आऊं. Then cover the nozzle of the syringe with your hand of a friend. Like this. इसको आपने कवर करके इससे उसकी नीडल को उतार के, like this is the needle, आपने इसको रिमूव कर दिया और यहाँ आपने अपना हैंड का ये टिप नोट जो है वो रख के और इसको पीछे से प्लंजर को प्रेस करते हुए पीछे by using your hand force. Okay, you picture same ऐसे पीछे कर लिया. Okay, it's experiment, same in the experiment picture source. Okay, then push the plunger of a syringe. Can you compress the air in the syringe? Release the plunger. What happened to the volume of the air in syringe? It's a one of the good experiment and you can easily attempt it. It's not difficult. ये मटेरियल अगर आपको अवेलेबल नहीं है या अगर आप इसको करना चाहते हैं तो आप इसको फिल क्यों नहीं कर सकते. या जैसे आप सिंपल अक्सर बच्चे मैंने देखा है क्लासरूम में वो अपने ना रिफिल यूज करने के लिए इंक के, वो इंक पॉट में से ना इंक को सिरिंज से इसी तरह निकालते हैं और उसके बाद उसको फिल करते हैं. लेकिन हम लोग ने स्कूल में ये बैन किया हुआ है ड्यू टू सम सर्टेन प्रॉब्लम्स. मैंने 2-4 बच्चों को कभी ऐसा करते देखा तो मैंने बताया. Okay, gases occupy less space when compressed. It's a one of the good mode property. Gases occupy less space when compressed. Please underline it. They can also flow. They can also capable to flow and spread. And spread. जैसे बलून का आपने देखा अभी, एयर मिला, huge उसका spread हो गया, ठीक है, उसकी शेप में. And spread out to occupy a larger space. A larger space. These show that a gas has no definite volume, but these properties also be ensure that gas has no definite volume. Okay, underline please. A gas has no definite shape and no definite volume. Okay, on the next page, make sure that it's the one of the good point. Try it out. Try it out का आंसर जो सेम है, ये मैंने आपके ग्रुप में शेयर मैंने कर लेना है, ताकि आपने जो बुक बेस्ड ट्राई आउट है, आई एम ये टॉकिंग अबाउट ट्राई आउट, जो बुक बेस्ड आंसर है वो आपने विद द हेल्प ऑफ इलेक्ट पेंसिल इस पे फिल करने हैं. अगर आंसर एक्सटेंड करता होगा, इसका आंसर एक्सटेंड नहीं है, तो फिर उसके लिए मैं ड्राफ्टिंग पैड के लिए कहता हूँ कि आपने ड्राफ्टिंग पैड पर उसका आंसर लिख के यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर देना है. इसके की पॉइंट्स हाईलाइट के लिए कर लें सारे. व्हाट यू हैव लर्नड इन दिस टारगेट पॉइंट, लाइक मैटर इज एनीथिंग दैट हैज mass and occupies space. Matter can exist in three states: in physical state like solid, liquid and gases. Okay, a solid has a definite shape and a definite volume. A liquid has a definite volume but no definite shape. It's a little bit properties and characteristics too. A gas has no definite shape and no definite volume. Okay, this is the end of this reading, but I make sure to discuss with about the one more bubble regarding liquid, solid, liquid and gases. अच्छा, ये इसी तरह मैंने अपने बबल को ज़रा ड्रॉप नहीं किया. आपने इस सारी एक्टिविटी को जो मैंने आप लोगों को ये सिखाई है, मेक श्योर टू डू दिस एक्टिविटी ऑन योर रफ ड्राफ्टिंग पैड. ओके, रफ ड्राफ्टिंग पैड. इफ ड्राफ्टिंग पैड इज नॉट अवेलेबल, देन जस्ट प्लीज ओनली यूज योर रफ रजिस्टर, नैरो लाइन रफ रजिस्टर विदाउट रिंग पैड. रिंग पैड रजिस्टर नहीं देना, क्योंकि इसमें से असाइनमेंट जो है वो बिखर जाती हैं या पेजेस उसके फट जाते हैं. ओके, व्हाट अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ गैसेस? Make sure these points to gases. GASES. I also will share this picture in your group. Okay. मैं इसकी जो पिक्चर है वो आपके ग्रुप में भी शेयर कर लूंगा for your practice work. Okay. What about the structure of gases? What about the structure of gases? Okay. Particles are number one. Does not have definite shape. Does not. You read about this property too. Does not have definite shape. Please be careful about your spelling. Okay. Mostly gases are also found in color. Is one of the good point. Mostly gases are colored, which can help you to indicate the gases. These are gases if they are colorful. Okay, take the shape of container. Take the shape of a container. Okay, can be compressed. And particles are far apart. Space is very less. I make sure to more here. One arrow. ये कुछ एरो ना जरा वो स्कैटर से होगी, लेकिन आप कोशिश करें कि जब आप इसे रफ में बनाएं तो जैसे सेंटर में सॉलिड लिख के बबल उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज को हाईलाइट कर लें बाय यूजिंग द एरो साइन सिंबल. ओके, ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज रिजर्व फॉर द लिक्विड. सेंटर में उसको आप बना के ना लिक्विड फॉर्म में, उसकी बबल्स फॉर्म में, थर्ड में आपने गैसेस में कर देना है. ठीक है, क्योंकि आपके पास स्पेस होना जरूरी होता है. पार्टिकल्स आर PATICLES. Particles are far apart. Okay, this is the one of the good bubbles point to how to make the bubble points or bubbles ensure in your activity work. And activity work must be, please once again I tell you all of you कि activity work ऐसा होता है जो खास करके बच्चों को ऑब्जेक्टिव के रिगार्डिंग प्रॉब्लम आता है. तो मैंने पहले ही आपको बताया कि आपका मोर देन मोर, मैंने ये आपको बताया कि जो काम है रिसोर्स पैक में ऑलरेडी उसकी वर्कशीट्स उसमें मौजूद हैं. मैंने सिर्फ आप लोगों से ये कहा है कि जैसे ही मैं अब आपको ये पढ़ा रहा हूँ, आपका मैंने आज अगर आपको पेजेस पढ़ाए हैं, सपोज टुडे वी रीड अबाउट द गैसेस ऑल अराउंड फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 29, 30, 31, 32, 33 and 34. Okay, so you are being all having one of the good opportunity कि हमने अगर आज 29 to 31 तक पढ़ा, पेज नंबर 29 to 31. It means that कि आप इन पेजेस को अच्छे तरीके से पढ़ने के बाद इसकी जो प्रैक्टिस है फॉर द रीडिंग टास्क, फॉर द इनफर मीनिंग पॉइंट्स, हाउ टू क्लियर दिस पॉइंट्स बाय द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, आप उनको कर लें। और सबसे अच्छा गोल्डन मैंने आपको पॉइंट ये बताया है कि प्लीज अपने रिसोर्स पैक को ओपन करें। इस चैप्टर को जैसे ही आप खोलेंगे वहां मैंने दो तरीके से प्रॉपर्टीज को मेंशन किया है फॉर द वीकर स्टूडेंट, जो बच्चे इतना डिटेल में आंसर्स को नहीं लिख सकते। इट्स वेरी वन ऑफ द डिफिकल्ट फॉर देम टू राइट द क्वेश्चन आंसर इन डिटेल बाय गिविंग सम डिटेल पॉइंट्स इन एग्जांपल्स एंड देयर इंपॉर्टेंस व्हाटएवर, सो दे मेक श्योर टू राइट ओनली सिंपल पॉइंट्स। अगर उसके 5 पॉइंट्स हैं या 4 हैं, ओनली वो लिख लें। अगर जो बच्चे क्लास में अच्छी हैं, दे वांटेड टू डू देयर वर्क वन ऑफ द गुड एंड inspired work, so they require the one of the good quality for the examples and importance and their further function and roles। उस हिसाब से मैंने इस क्वेश्चन को शेयर किया है। अब आपको मैंने आज जो ये पढ़ाया है गैसेस ऑल अराउंड, दिस इज अ स्टडी which is based on the nature of physical states like liquid, solid and gases। Okay, the next lecture I will also discuss about some more characteristics and more important points about these gases and their role for why these gases are most important for the human, animals, birds, in nature, material, whatever. So we discuss these points after one by one. Okay, I hope so you really enjoy today's lesson and lecture 2, and please complete this assignment work। This is assignment work। जिस assignment काम जो होता है, मैंने बार बार कहा है, आपने इसे अपने रफ ड्राफ्टिंग पैड पर या रफ रजिस्टर पे करना है, नोटबुक पे नहीं करना। नोटबुक इज जस्ट रिजर्व फॉर योर होमवर्क, टास्क वर्क रिलेटेड टू योर क्वेश्चन जो आप लोगों को रिसोर्स पैक में हमने शेयर किया, उन्हें साथ साथ आपने याद भी करना है विद द बेस्ट ऑफ टाइम। 5 क्वेश्चन भी अगर आप एक दिन में करें ना, एक चैप्टर के हिसाब से, यू कैन डन अ वेरी फैक्ट जॉब। ओके, स्टे एट होम, गॉड ब्लेस ऑल ऑफ यू, गुड बाय माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अल्लाह हाफिज।